I've been meaning to make this for a while. Several months ago, Alexander Waugh posted a video called Explosive Pictures That Reveal the True Father of Shakespeare. In it, he shows this image of Henry de Vere and Henry Wriothesley, the 18th Earl of Oxford and the 3rd Earl of Southampton, respectively. Waugh's theory is that Wriothesley fathered a child with Penelope Rich for Edward de Vere to raise and bequeath his titles to, a surrogacy that would have caused a great scandal at court. In his video, Thomas Bancroft New, he provides a list of just some of the nobility that would have been affected had this truth been known. I found codes in the Sonnets and a Rebus in the dedication grid that support this theory. In the True Father of Shakespeare video, Waugh compares the picture of the two Henrys to an earlier one of Friedrich V of Bavaria and his General Ernest Count Mansfield, and explains how the illustrator knew that Henry de Vere was the son of Wriothesley, leaving clues in the image. Towards the end of the video, he shows a close-up of the de Vere coat of arms that appears on the upper left. At first, the letters on the crown read OXON, which is an abbreviation for Oxonia, Latin for from Oxford. Of course, this is all we're supposed to think on the surface. Thing is, there are additional lines etched into the letters. If you look closely, this X and Ox has two lines on its sides, giving us actually two letters in one, X and M. And this letter N on the right has a single line scored diagonally across it, making another X, so it's an N and an X. On the left, we have letters for O, X, and M, and on the right, letters for O, N, and X. You can see that these three letters are centered with the crown, and the O on the left is off to the side. The O in the middle is split, and I think that's a clue that the letters are to be divided up and shared. So first, focus on the center and read left to right. We get the spelling for M-O-N. Then read right to left. N-O-M. Mon, nom. Mon nom's pretty straightforward. It's French for my name. Next, we divide the letters in the middle, and the O on the left is now used. Read the letters right to left, then left to right. M-O-X on one side, N-O-X on the other. Mox, Knox. Now, Mox Knox isn't as straightforward as mon nom or my name. As far as I can tell, its direct Latin translation is soon night. But here we have to consider synonymous words. Think about it. The person creating the message has a tiny space to put a single word pertaining to the subject that doesn't draw suspicion. Then he has to encode a hidden meaning with those same few letters, O, M, N, and X. That's tricky. If you look up Mox, you'll see there's other translations, similar words like nunc, meaning now. And the same with Nox, which means night. There's tenebra, meaning darkness, and I think that's what's being said, that the name is now in the dark, like it's concealed. So I believe the hidden message in the crown is mon nom mox nox, translated as my name is now concealed. Which really means is that it's veiled, and that's how the words are meant to be understood. My name is veiled, which makes sense when you consider Henry de Vere was a Wriothesley.